Hey, it's Sean with Divine Dents, and here's what I have for you today. Right through there. He's gonna give me access to that out there. This one is a nice little size. Before I took this light out, I was wondering about what kind of access it would have. And right through this hole right here, man, you can get, I think I can get all over. My weapon of choice. I started out with this, I think. Here we go. We're gonna soften that tip up with one of these. Needs probably to be a little bit wider. I'm gonna put it on here, but it'll help some, just soften it up. Was able to get a lot of that pit out. Still got a bit more to work out of it, but we're getting there. Really good access on that one, as I thought. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll have more for you on our next episode. Take care.